What's up, everyone? It's Costas from Blue Dot ROV. So today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of maintenance. Yesterday I was diving my ROV down at Dana Point Harbor, and I flew up next to a rock, and I accidentally popped off one of my vertical propellers. So there's supposed to be two on each sub. There's one over here, still intact, but then the other one I have lost to the abyss. So today I'm going to show you how to install a new one. All right, here we are at our workbench, and we got everything we need right here to replace a propeller. So first thing we're going to need is a little screwdriver. I'm using a Phillips, and as long as it works on the 632 machine screws, that'll be fine. The next thing we'll need is a big screwdriver. The tip doesn't matter. I don't even have one in right now. All that matters is that it has a big rubber handle. And then we will, of course, need a spare propeller. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the brace that holds the motor into place on the ROV. What we're going to do here is we're going to take the whole motor out of the off of the ROV. That way, when we're putting the propeller onto the shaft, we won't be able to cause any damage to the rest of the submarine. So now that the motor is off of your ROV, we can start to think about how we're going to put the propeller on. So if you look at the bottom of the hub, you're going to see a hole, and it's going to be kind of a semicircle. It's supposed to be the same cross section as this shaft. See how there's a flat face to it? That kind of also makes roughly a semicircle. So we're just going to align the flat edge with the flat face on the shaft. And once you're convinced that it's reasonably aligned with the shaft, you can start to tap in the propeller onto the motor shaft. Once it's down about as far as it's going to go on the shaft, make sure it's not actually touching the motor housing, but you know, 2 or 3 millimeters between the bottom of the prop and the top of the housing. That's just fine. Once it's on about that far, give it a good tug. Just make sure you don't break any of the blades off. Give it a good tug. It should be held on with friction. Now that the prop is held on pretty firmly by friction between the shaft and the inside of the propeller, it's time to mount the motor back onto the submarine. All right, and there you have it. It's a brand new prop on your thruster, and you're ready to dive again. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.